Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the Dutch coffee company Douwe Egberts. This is the way we say Douwe Egberts. Douwe Egberts. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the first and second name. Douwe Egberts. Douwe Egberts. Douwe Egberts. Egbert Douwes founded his coffee imperium in 1753 in the northern Dutch town of Joure. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!